Hello, hi everybody. This is Midnight Sky Wolf here, and today I have a wonderful unboxing. Um, Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy A tablet, and this is a 10.1-inch screen tablet. Now, as all you guys know, the tablet that I have been using was the Amazon tablet. But one time I was actually in the store and I saw the Galaxy tablet. I played with it and it was so much more funner. So I decided to get myself one. And that way I can continue my Let's Plays on the Ultimate Wolf Simulator, because playing it on my phone is really hard. So to speak. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna open this and we're gonna see what we're getting into. So, look, we got some type of amps here. Fitting amps. Oh, look, a protective screen, a carrying case. I didn't think I was going to get a carrying case. So here it is, everybody, the Samsung Galaxy Tablet A. It's white, and it's, like I said, if you can see it, it's a 10.1 screen, 16 gigabytes, Wi-Fi, and it's white. It's white. Okay. So we're gonna unbox this. And look, I got a nice cleaning cloth with it, so that's awesome. Wow, look at that. You know? I like the way it's wrapped though. Look at that, it's just like wrapped in plastic. You have your quick starter book. Let's see. That looks like my phone charger. My phone is actually the Galaxy J3 Emerge. Here's the USB cable. Now, since I have a Since I have a Galaxy J3 Emerge, I think I can sync it with my phone. Wow, look at that, everybody. It almost looks just like my phone, almost. Screen's a little dirty, but that's okay. As you can see, it's on and it says welcome. So I will customize this tablet, set it up, and see what it looks like. Okay, everybody. Hello, hi everybody. I am back, and you can see I have fully customized my my Galaxy tablet. I now have all my apps on here. I would say this is a very, very nice tablet. You know, just wanted to show you guys this. Yeah, so hi everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video, but I would have to say this is a very, very nice tablet. It is a little bit expensive. It's about like $300, but it's a really big tablet. I mean, look at the massive size of that, and it's really good. It has a good facing. It has a good the camera is good and everything else. I definitely have to try this thing out on my plays and everything. But so far, I've been doing all my Let's Plays of the Ultimate Wolf Simulator and all that other stuff on my phone, so now I get to do it on here. So yeah, this is really cool. I'm glad I could show you guys this, and I just want to let you guys know Amber's birthday is coming up. I'm having 2 guest dogs come and stay tomorrow, so I just want to give you guys out that video, and thank you guys for watching, and please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and as always, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. And oh yeah, go visit and donate to Wolf Mountain Sanctuary. Alright, bye.